So today our new topic is how to find the unit weight of steel in kg per feet, kg per meter, lbs per meter, lbs per feet. So as we know that for weight is equal to d square divided by 162.278 kg per meter, where d is diabar, is in mm. The other one is weight is equal to d square divided by 357.66 lbs per meter. When we have to point in lbs, so we use d square divided by 357.66, where d is diabar is in mm. Another one is weight is equal to, when we are finding, this is for kg per meter, lbs per meter. Now we have to find for feet, kg per feet, so which is d square divided by 532.271 kg per foot, where d is in mm. Weight is equal to d square divided by 117.127 lbs per foot. When we are finding weight of steel in lbs per foot, so we have to use d square divided by 1173.127, and where d is diabar is in mm. So these are for kg per meter. We use d square divided by 162.27 lbs for the. When we have for example, weight is equal to d square divided by 52896 kg per foot, where v where d is in number, like 4 suitor, 6 suitor, 8 suitor, 2 suitor. So when we put d will be in suitor, like when we are using suitor, so d, for example, 4 suitor, so 4 square divided by 52.896, so the answer will be in kg per feet. If we are using in meter, so for example we have die is equal to for example 12 mm, so 12 mm divided by 162.278, so the answer will be in kg per meter. Same as for all. So when we have to find the unit weight of steel in a different units, so these are the units to help you. So if you have any difficulties or you want to know about anything, so you can comment